guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny, of the Godly brand on Instagram and Destiny Godly on YouTube. So I quickly wanted to come and show you some of my favorite Perter Thomas Roth products. I get questions all the time about my favorite skincare, primers, moisturizers, eye cream, sunscreen. I have quite a nice collection of Perter Thomas Roth products. All information will be in the link in my bio and or in my description. Let's just go ahead and start out with one of their newer products. This is the Instant Firm X No Filter Primer, and I really like this. Okay, this is one of their newer products, as I've said. Like, not only is it new to them, but it's new to me as well. I've used this a few times. I did a video, but I ended up not putting it out because I filmed it, and then I wasn't in love with it, and I was in love with the product, I wasn't in love with the footage. I absolutely love this. This instantly tightens and firms, blurs the appearance of fine lines and pores, imperfections. It has a little bit of a soft beige color to it, and I was really afraid to use it at first, thinking it would show through my foundation, but it doesn't. This is a really good primer. So I'm going to gather two of their sunscreens at once. I have the Matte Max, and then I have their Water Drench, which is something that I've been using a lot longer than the Matte Max. I started using the Matte Max once I moved out to the Caribbean, and I absolutely love it, especially on days when I don't really want to look dewy and glowy. Maybe I'm wearing makeup, or maybe it's just a really hot day and my face is already going to get glowy and dewy on its own, and I don't want any products to add to that effect. I really like this, and this is an SPF 45. It doesn't give you dry, flaky, or cakey, and it doesn't have a white tint, so I'm really big about that. I love the Water Drench. This is an SPF 45. I love this because it has hyaluronic acid in it. If you want to look glowy, if you want to look smooth, if you want to look plump, if you want to look healthy, if you're wearing a matte makeup and you still want to retain some moisture and hydration and just look fresh, this is the one for you. There are occasions when I mix these two together. Child, I'm always down to do a little BBC when bad bitches collab, honey. And I really love these two sunscreens. I actually am really into sunscreen right now. Now, in the past, I've worn it. It's hit or miss. Maybe I have it today. I don't have it on the next day. Like, now I wear sunscreen daily. If I don't have makeup, I'm very big on reapplying. Another product that I love from them that's not necessarily a primer, but it kind of has a primer feel and it acts like a primer. This is the Matte Anti-Shine Mattifying Gel, and this is something that can be used whether or not you wear makeup. Actually, a lot of the reviews, people say they use it on like their bald head to take away the shine. I don't really know, but I really like this. It's really soft and it has like a smoothing effect, and for me, I use it like a primer, right? So it says powerful invisible oil absorbing mattifier and pore minimizer for a shine-free clear matte finish. I couldn't get it out, but yeah, it really does what it says it does. And I mean, obviously this is a face product, but I've seen people say they use it for other things. So if you're interested in that, you can definitely check it out. Like I said, I'll have the information provided. Okay, so first up, I have something that I didn't necessarily get to try, but I'm really excited about, and I've seen great reviews, and you probably have also seen the viral video on TikTok. This is the Instant Firm X Temporary Eye Tightener. Instantly tightens and firms and smooths the appearance of crow's feet, fine lines, deep wrinkles around the eyes, and diminishes the look of under eye puffiness. This is something that I definitely want to try, especially on the days when my face is a little puffy. I don't really have any fine lines or wrinkles, but I'm excited to try that on clients. Something that I'm absolutely obsessed with from them is their Potency line. Now, this is absolutely amazing. My camera does not want to focus. Yeah, so this is the Potency. I'm absolutely in love with this. I also have the eye cream. This has vitamins A, C, and E, ferulic acid, and just amazing for the look, the texture of your skin, dullness, fine lines. If you have any spots, this is absolutely positively amazing. It's more powerful than your traditional vitamin C, and it helps to improve the look of fine line, wrinkles, firmness, uneven skin tone, texture, and brightness. I can attest to all of that. I have used Potency for quite some time. If you want to hear more about this from me, just go to my channel and type in Potency. I'm pretty sure a couple videos will pop up. Then I've been using recently, this is a little bit newer for me. This is the Potency Power Eye Cream. 10% vitamin C, THD ascorbate, vitamin E, antioxidant, ferulic acid, mega potent. 50 times more powerful than traditional vitamin C, helps dramatically reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and crow's feet. The dark circles and the puffiness I can 100% attest to. Absolutely amazing. Like, not only staying hydrated and different things like that, wearing your sunscreen, all that's great. I have noticed so much more clarity when it comes to my under eye area. You guys know that I love color correction. Color correction was one of the first videos that I put out that kind of put me on the map here on YouTube. And daily, I would tap a little bit of peach color corrector under my eye just because I have higher cheekbones and I do have a little bit of darkness, but the high cheekbones would also kind of contribute to the look of darkness around my eyes. And using that Potency using that Potency eye cream has absolutely changed the appearance of my under eyes. Smooth, clear. I mean, I have on a ton of makeup right now, but I will be keeping an update so you guys can kind of know how my skin progresses as I continue to use these products. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I get a lot of questions, as I said, so hopefully this has answered some of your questions about skincare. All information will be provided. As always, guys, I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye, guys.